Hi, this is Tima Consult. I'm so happy to have you here, and I'm really glad you chose to be here. So today I want to talk to us about the power of the mind and how it influences the results we get in life. Okay, so if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to explain to us about how you can use the mind to achieve success. So sit back, relax, watch and listen. Okay, thank you. So the first thing I want to talk to us about is how I decided to start this coaching on mindset manifestation. Okay, so one day I came across a video on YouTube by Dan Locke. He spoke about the law of attraction, and he said two things. Those two things made me want to know more. The first thing he said was the first thing that grabbed my attention was when he said, "Don't say I want a car, say I have a car." Then he also mentioned he does not want to watch TV news because he's trying to protect whatever what he absorbs into his brain. Immediately I knew there was more to this world. So that was when my research journey started. I saw a lot of videos, watched a lot of videos, ebooks, read a lot of ebooks and all that, but nothing really changed. Okay, I was still in everyday routine, still making same amount of money, no zeal and all that. It was just normal. So I gave up a bit on that concept. Okay, until one day I came across an Udemy course talking about, the title was the power of the mind and the law of attraction. It grabbed my attention because I was shocked, like I could get this course on Udemy. Then I applied for the course. When I applied for the course, I tried out different techniques and different tactics, and there was a bit change in it. Truly, there was a bit different, but I was still not getting the result I wanted. So what I tend to still be in the same routine every day. The income was still the same, just like it used to be, and all that. So until when I came across a friend, an Indian friend. We had some transaction back, and then she saw my Instagram post there was the time I posted the law of attraction, and she was like, "Do you actually believe in it?" I said yes. She was surprised, and then she said she could invite me to join a live mastery program. It's actually a WhatsApp program. There was no Nigerian there. I was the only Nigerian in the class, and she said, "Am I interested?" And I was like, "Yes, of course I'm interested." And I actually really did. I signed up for the class. I did sign up for the class, and it was a game changer for me because I was able to achieve so much in a very short period of time after applying everything I was taught. Okay, currently the class is still going on. The class is just like a consultation class. Okay, so I was able to make double my income within a very short period of time. I was more productive. I had more zeal. I had more willingness. Like, I was so much effective. That's just it. I was so much more effective and everything. So I thought about, why not using this technique, why not applying it into our everyday business life so that we can also achieve success in that aspect, mostly for entrepreneurs. So I've decided to that's why I decided to teach everybody everything I've learned so that they can also benefit from it, mostly in their areas of business. Okay, so the one thing I've learned mostly is that wealth does not come from your job or the skills you have. It actually comes from within you. You have to be wealthy. You have to have a wealthy mindset first before you can actually be wealthy. And that is why most people most people of the same profession, they have the same job, the same salary, the same time, and they still earn different amount of money. They came from the same background, did the same education, and they are still achieving different results. It's all because of the mindset. Okay, so now listen. Now, what is the mind? The mind is the most powerful creation of God given to human beings. Okay, and it is actually grouped into two. It consists of the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is your awareness state. It is logical and creative. It lets you get aware of your current state. Example, when you are sad, you are consciously aware that you are sad. When you are happy, you are consciously aware that you are happy. While the subconscious mind is your state of unawareness. You don't consciously know what's happening. The subconscious mind stores beliefs, feelings, and memories. The subconscious mind drives 95% of our day-to-day activities. Okay, the subconscious mind is a mental set of habitual programming. Example of subconscious mind in action is, let's use babies as an example. The subconscious mind drives their activities from birth to almost 3 years of their life, e.g. sucking, crying, smiling. Nobody taught them how to suck. Nobody taught them how to cry. Nobody taught them how to smile. They know they want to suck. They know how to suck when they want to feed. They know when they need attention, they have to cry. All these things nobody taught them, but they just do it anyway. Those are subconscious activities. Okay, now how does this subconscious mind build up? Subconscious behavior patterns are learned around or the age of 6 to 7. This is because children of this stage are in their theta brain stage. At this stage, information are downloaded faster and effortlessly. The theta brain stage is a stage where we retain memory, feelings at the subconscious level faster. Okay, this stage, the programs and rules are learnt from parents, surroundings, clues, environment, and society at large. Okay, around 70% of programs that people download during this time now run automatically in their current life, which gives them the results they don't want. Okay, so as you get older, 95% you are always in thought. As we get older, we are always in thought. 95% of our time, something is always coming to our mind and know that we are always in thought. And these thought drives our daily action, which is also driven by the subconscious mind. Now, example of programs we have had when we were kids that is affecting our result now is all these money beliefs. Example, I want to use money as an example. When they say money is the root of all problem, or when they say the rich are greedy, or money and happiness, money is not happiness. We have heard this belief as settled as a feeling to our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind retained the feelings, and the feeling is a bad feeling. So the subconscious mind retained it as a bad feeling. Hence, that way, once we believe that way, subconsciously we are believing that way. So that is what is affecting people, that is not making people to get money or to get rich. It's because of all this kind of belief. Money is not happiness. Money is the root of all problem. Behind every belief, there is a core belief also. Okay, so we are going to get there. So, unfortunately, we tend to get the result we don't want or become who we don't want to be unknowingly. We don't know that the cause of all this problem is because of the rules and programs that has been wired into us since when we were kids. Okay, so as now your conscious mind is actually very, very creative, but it's not dormant. Okay, you should consciously use your mind, your conscious mind, to control your subconscious mind. You should be able to know how to do that, which most people don't know how to do. You should be able to know how to use your conscious mind to change your internal programs, which so that you can get the exact kind of results that you want. Okay, for example now, for you to know, the conscious mind works differently from the subconscious mind. Now you know that the subconscious mind affects the result and everything. Because I've explained to you now, you are consciously aware of it, but the truth is nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Now you know it's not actually, you don't want to believe that money is not the root of problem. You know consciously now, but subconsciously is still there. So you have to know how to speak to your subconscious mind in a way that it would understand. Do you understand? In a way, only when you are able to speak to your subconscious mind in a way that it would understand, only then can everything change. The subconscious mind is like a computer program. It records and it gives you the results that it records. It's just like a machine. Okay? So here is what I want to tell you about changing your subconscious mind. Now there are two ways in which you can change your subconscious mind. You can use the law of attraction to change it when you use it effectively, and you can also use the neuro-linguistic programming, that's the NLP, to change it. Now in my master class, that's what I want to teach. I want to teach entrepreneurs using these two methods, how they can use their mind for success, especially in their areas of business. How would you feel if you set a monthly income goal and you are able to achieve it? How would you feel if you are able to change some bad pattern in you within few months or few weeks? Good, right? That's why you need to sign up for my master class. It's going to be a game changer. Okay, so click on the learn more button below this video now so you can get more details about the class. Thank you.